Charlie was just taking some steps. It's March 5th, 2012. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Charlie. Nope. Do it again.
Here, do you want? Here. I think you like the idea of coming to Scout.
Go to Scout. He's too all over the place like he's drunk. Do it again.
Okay.
Why are you leaning back?
Charlie.
Go get Scout. Where's Scout? Oh.
Drunk kid.
It's hiding under, it's under his leg. Where is it?
Got it.
Yay!
Go right in her face. Not right in her face.
Get out of my way.
I know.
So when does your mom want him to come over, like, see the family and stuff? Like,
What do you mean?
like on Saturday night, Kenny's gonna be in Glendale, but I'll have him. So I was thinking, I don't know if, like, you know what I mean, like Denise and